Hello, I'm Susan Stippa, CEO of Phylloceuticals. Do you know that many of the medicines you take every day are created in animal cells? Or as scientists call them, mammalian cells. I'm talking here about biologics, drugs created inside living cells. But animal cells contain viruses harmful to humans. And when we manufacture these drugs, many of them recognizable to many folks, Humira for rheumatoid arthritis, vaccines, and so many others, we have to remove those viruses, plus other contaminants, and even growth hormones added to help the process along. Engineers design viral deactivation steps in to remove these viruses, and the industry has just accepted this as a regular way of doing business. Some estimate the cost of these extra steps at over $6 million, and that doesn't even include the operating expenses. We founded Phylloceuticals to do things differently. Because did you know that plant cells have the same capacity to make medicine? Inside that much simpler, clean structure of a plant cell, we can make medicine, and without any viruses harmful to humans. Sounds great, right? But the other thing is that plants do it so much more quickly than the traditional methods that have been used for decades. Plants grow in days. They're prolific. In short, plants are the perfect little bioreactors. And Phylloceuticals is about to disrupt the industry to take advantage of this. What this also means, by the way, is that during our next pandemic, when variant after variant arrives, plants can make the new response biologic in very short order. This approach has had the attention and approval of FDA for quite some time, but no company has been able to break through the inertia of traditional pharmaceutical manufacturing. Our highly experienced Phylloceuticals team comes at this with a curated, highly business-oriented approach. We have experience, decades in the pharmaceutical manufacturing world. We're about to take advantage of our world that seems ready to embrace clean profile in our medicine, as we're already doing with fuels, food, and in day-to-day living. Phylloceuticals will make biosimilars, essentially twins of certain blockbuster biologics, and be ready to go just as they go off patent. Phylloceuticals opened its first pilot facility in Rapid City, South Dakota just last month, using $50,000 in founder funds, and our plants, they're growing already. We'll be making our first non-GMP biosimilar this spring. We were incorporated in 2024 and are seeking $1 million in our seed round. From this round of fundraising, we will produce revenue-producing preclinical biosimilars and secure our IP with 3 provisional patent applications. In addition, we will start designing our clinical production facility. Phylloceuticals will be profitable by year 4. We also have a few grant applications in play. One from the National Science Foundation has secured 2 biomedical interns for our pilot plant. And the other is from the Gates Foundation, their Global Grand Challenge. Listen to this. They challenge the pharmaceutical industry to produce monoclonal antibodies, biologics, for under $10 a gram. Do you know that the pricing has stagnated at no less than $50 to $100 a gram for the last 30 years? We know we can do better in plant cells. So the cost for these drugs is huge. We have to do better. After all, who can afford $45,000 for 1 infusion of Keytruda when you need 3? Or pay a cool $9,000 for a 30-day supply of Humira? Let's eliminate the viruses and make cleaner, less expensive medicine faster. The time is right. Let's make medicine in plants.